One of the things that Ironhide brings to the table as far as a service to the customer, we have a product line that fulfills every need, whether it's landscape, whether it's construction, whether it's oil field.
Since growing, we've had the opportunity to acquire the tools to help us better serve our customers. Anything from agriculture to snow removal to construction.
They offer more services, they offer more options. Bobcat has expanded so much gear.
Sure, there's other brands that are available, other companies in the area, but they don't offer the same type of service that Ironhide does with the parts, the service, the rental, and the sales all in one, and then being a truly local company where if you need a part, they have it in stock. If you need a rental, they have it in stock.
I've got an MT100. I just bought an L28. I had a T770, now I have a T86.
We don't leave the shop without several tools that we've gotten from Ironhide for every single job, from skid steers to mini X's to track machines and numerous attachments.
When we have any issues, it's just a phone call and they're able to come and help us get that figured out, or we're down in a machine, we need something. They've been pretty good at getting us back on our feet so we can keep rolling.